Okay guys, welcome to our channel. This is Techie Rig. Today, Vivo X30 Pro unboxing and full overview. This device price 33,000 in Indian rupees, $499 in US price. This device really worth is best mid-range phone or not? Everything review on this video, don't skip. Box front side Vivo X30 Pro name it's mentioned. On the bottom side it's a 5G. Yeah, it's a 5G variant. And let's look the what the inside of the contents. Yeah, instead of the box front side mobile phone here, and see guys, box right side is a Vivo 5G name tag here. Okay, put the phone side and later look side by side. Then instead of the box AC adapter, it support fast charging. Then headphone, I like free headphone. Then TPU case, I like free TPU cases. It's not very hard, but it's maximum protect your phone scratches. See guys, sound nice sound. Okay, I like free case is transparent TPU case. One more SIM ejecting pin on last Type C cable. Overall everything here on this box. Now this time let's look the phone. Okay, setup is done. Well, let's overview the phone side by side. First look the display. It's a 6.44 inches Full HD Plus resolution Super AMOLED display. It's 409 ppi density display. Vivo mentioned it's a HDR display. Let's watch guys. What do you think? This video quality is good or not? And real look is really good, and because it's an AMOLED display, color quality, viewing angle is a black color, it's very punchy look. It's yeah, the display is really amazing for my opinion. And display brightness 800 nits. You watch videos and photos in outdoor, it is much better experience you got. Then let's look the phone backside. Totally 4 cameras here. Main camera is periscope camera is 30 megapixel. This lens support up to 60x digital zoom. On same as Huawei P30 Pro type. Yeah, it's cool, right? And then 64 megapixel camera, it's normal camera and it support OIS and laser focus. Then 32 megapixel telephoto lens is a 2x zoom optical, and also this camera lens support laser focus and OIS. Then third one is 8 megapixel ultra wide. Vivo fully focused to launch this device only for camera. Yes guys, do you want best camera phone? Your choice only one nowadays. This is because its price only 30,000, but the camera specifications is really amazing. Let's look Vivo X30 Pro hardware and software. This device running on Android 9.0 Pie built-in FunTouch OS 10. And once again, what? Oh my god, I got Android 10. It's cool. Fingerprint. Vivo X30 Pro use AMOLED display, so this X30 Pro support in-display fingerprint scanner. It's working also good, and setup is not very fast, but compared to other devices, it's same. Also, this device support Face ID, also working good. Let's look processor. Vivo X30 Pro use Samsung new Exynos 980 processor. It's 8 nanometer built-in processor. This processor really worth or not? It's good perform or not? What do you think guys? Lot of the people asking me my last hands-on and its best processor for gaming and day-to-day usage. Some people comment me Exynos processor is really worthless processor. But the reality is really amazing. Now I'm playing the two games. One is the PUBG, other one is the Honor of the King. One by one game I'm running. Yes guys, now I'm playing PUBG, but background Honor of the game is running. I am playing with maximal settings. I got any lag or issues? Let's you watch guys. I'm not explain. But I'm last 3 days using this device. It's really best perform. Yeah, really guys, it's good to see the gaming review and day-to-day usage and hard usage is amazing perform, and Exynos 980 5G chip is really best and beast for my opinion. I'm play PUBG and Hunt of the Kings. Two games swipe to swipe I'm play, and what the hitting result? On camera side 33, yeah, camera side 32 33, and bottom side 30 29, and back side also back bottom side 38 39. Overall this device heating result is positive. Yes, guys, no heating issues I got. Overall, my opinion is gaming and day to day usage is best value for money, mostly camera.